Today we're gonna take a look at the Cobra Connector. What the heck's a Cobra Connector? I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and you're watching Sprinkler TV. All right, well, let me tell you some backstory on this Cobra Connector. I was in one of our warehouses in California the week before last, just kind of looking at stuff on the shelf, and I came across this blue tubing. And it caught my attention because it's blue and I'd never seen anything like it before. Turns out it is called a Cobra Connector. And I'm like, you know what? I gotta learn more about this Cobra Connector. And unfortunately right now at the time of this recording on October 18th, Cobra Connector's website is unavailable, but we did have a little information that we were able to find. And essentially what this is a direct connect, so instead of a fixed riser, this is a flexible riser that threads into the bottom of your sprinkler. I just happen to have a Hunter i20 because the Hunter i20s are just badass sprinklers. So you thread the Cobra Connector into the bottom of the sprinkler and you can connect it to your lateral line. All right, I'll show you that here in just a minute. So this connects to the lateral line on your sprinkler instead of using funny pipe, also called swing pipe, and swing barbed elbows. So, doing it the current way, which would be using swing pipe and a swing barbed elbow going into the sprinkler and another swing barbed elbow going into the service tee on your lateral line. This is another way to do that. This is a pre-made swing joint with swing pipe and some swivel connectors. And the way the Cobra Connector works is it just threads right into the service tee, okay? You don't even need any elbows. You just simply screw in the, oh, I'm hitting the camera up top. You thread in the Cobra Connector, okay? And it can still swivel, see that? It can still spin. And then on the other side, you connect your sprinkler. Okay, so one piece that will replace the cutting of swing pipe and two swing barb elbows is the Cobra Connector. I will let you guys be the judge on how durable they are, how long they last. I can't tell you because I've never used one, but if it is a direct replacement for doing it the current way, it looks to me like it might be a whole lot easier. So yeah, that's the Cobra Connector. Give it a try. If you've used one, comment down below. We'd love to know your experience with it, and maybe some others watching this video would like to know how it worked as well. And before I forget, this one is the 3/4 inch. That's why I put it in the bottom of the Hunter i20, because it has a 3/4 inch inlet. They also make 1/2 inch, and they also make a 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch, and it comes in like, I should have looked this up before, but like 3 different lengths. This happens to be the 12-inch length lay, and it is 12 inches from end to end. It's not 12 inches of blue, it's 12 inches from tip to tail, just in case you're curious. So I think there's like 8-inch, 12-inch, or 6-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, something like that. A bunch of different sizes, super easy. At least it appears to be easy. I don't know if it's gonna leak or whatever, but I doubt it would leak or they wouldn't really be able to sell them. So there it is, quick overview, show and tell of the Cobra Connector. And if we can help you with any of your other irrigation, sprinkler, landscape needs, feel free to reach out. You can comment down below and we'll answer you here on YouTube, or you can reach out to us by phone, chat, email, text message. And until the next Sprinkler Supply Store show and tell, happy sprinkling. We'll talk to you then.